Oh, I got him. Hey, what's going on, YouTube? This is Joe, Outdoors and More. We're about to go down on another fishing adventure real quick and see if we can get into some walleye. The temperatures dropped pretty well, you know, since fall came. We down to about 46 degrees today. I'm not sure what the water temperature is, but I know it's been a while since I put a video together. So it looks like that's what I'm gonna get going today. Yeah, man, it's been quite some time trying to actually do YouTube videos. I didn't think it was gonna be as much to it, but yeah, it's kind of tough. I've been working solely off my phone, my iPhone, but now I then added a few other things to it. Like I got my GoPro back, and you know, now you know, just the, you know, downloading and, you know, putting things together, editing videos, like it's quite a job. So like today, actually not today, but a few days ago, I picked up some waders on Facebook for like 25 bucks. I took them out to see how they worked, and they did have a leak, so I took them back home and used some Flex Seal on them. So I'm gonna see how that's gonna work and get out and wade and see how that goes. And I'll see you when I get to the location. All right, we made it to our spot. As you see, got the GoPro hooked up to my head. I'm gonna see how the views is different from the chest mount. If any of you guys out there can tell me, you know, where to like basically put your GoPro to get the best views, you know, like the best point of view, shoot me a shout out and let me know what's going on. Like, I'm really just starting to get into making content, so you know, I'm willing to take on like any good criticism. So just let me know, you know, the best way I can, you know, get the best point of view to get you guys some good content. Just made it down to the bank, and this is what it's looking like so far. Yeah, the water's looking real nice and murky, and that's what they say you like to see when you're looking for walleye, is that brown murky water. Real still, got some consistent flow, and about to move up the river, maybe I say about another 50 yards or so, and then I'll get out there and see what I can do, and hopefully these waders hold up. Today I'm gonna start off with throwing the regular original Rapala. This one here, to see what I can catch. Since the water is high, you know, it might be able to work over the weeds. I'm gonna slowly work my way down in the water, just, you know, just to try to make sure I ain't pushing no fish away. So that's my plans right now. Let's get to it. Well, like I was telling you guys before, I was gonna try this original float Rapala, and just cast it out up under these trees, try not to get hung up, and see if I can work my way on down. Oh, That didn't work so far. We got a lot of high grass behind me. And right now I'm just gonna work with some slow retrieves, and then I might speed it up a little bit. Let me see if I can work my way down. It's better opening a little bit down further. We got some bobbers and sinkers in the tree, so somebody back here doing something. All right, that's a good one. I've been really watching a lot of videos trying to get into, you know, fine tuning where to fish for these walleye, especially in river. Like, it's a little different than, you know, just in the lake. So far so good as far as the waders. I mean, I ain't too deep yet. I'm almost getting to the point where it's coming up over that spot where it was. Yeah, these Rapalas ain't gonna work. I'm definitely gonna have to go into some jigging, because there's just too much debris. Man, this looked like some good stuff for musky. Seemed like it's a good area for it, man. For walleye to be in, you know, you got a lot of grass and stuff down there up against those edges. It's not good for this. That's it. Definitely about to switch it over, give it a few more, just to play around with it, see what's going on. But the wader's holding up excellent. Like I say, I only paid like 25 bucks with a $10, well, $14 can of Flex Seal, and I'm in the game. I'm out here in the water. They're pretty warm too. Yeah, that's just not gonna work. Let's switch this up a little bit. Well, I'm gonna go with this little, I guess you'll call it a swim bait. See if we can go with the green head. I think these 1/8 ounce jig heads. See what this brings us here. And an update on the waders. I feel a little water coming in back there. Not as much as I did before, but it does feel like it's getting a little wet. But very manageable. I guess I'll just throw a little bit of more of that Flex Seal on the back of there and let it dry up. But you know, with these squeezable, I mean these breathable waders, like they you know, squeeze down on you so much. Once you get in that tight area, I guess it seals itself up. I'm gonna work this a nice little bit right here. I'm gonna work this for a minute. I might walk all the way back down working with this one. All right, we getting into that deeper stuff now, baby. Yeah, this is what I got it for. I'm about, say, thigh deep. See what we get here. That swims really good. Well, nothing yet. No bites. I switched out that swim bait for another swim bait. It's like a chartreuse perch type. I'll show you once I get this back in. Try this right here with the red belly. I done caught plenty walleyes from this before, so I say why not try it out here, see what goes on. Bass like it too. Yeah, I'm gonna start working my way back up there. I was in a nice decent hole just sitting right there. Man, they is jumping on the other side over there. I don't think that was no carp. Oh, I got him. Got him. Got him. Got him. Got him. Got him. Oh boy, that's what I'm talking about. I knew it wasn't. Oh, there he go. I don't got no kind of leader on this, man. He smoked it too. A musky. I hope y'all getting this. Oh, there you go. There we go. Come on. Right on the lip too. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Got him. I knew he was out here. Come on, we're gonna get him over here. Little musky, not big guy. Not a big guy at all. Feel like he kind of lethargic. Let this guy run down a little bit. That's what I'm talking about, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Oh. Yeah. 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 Switch that out. I just had to slow down my retrieve just a little bit. That's what I'm talking about. Small musky, but nice one. Let's get this guy. I wonder, is he ready yet? Nah. I'm gonna let him wear out just a little bit. Come on, you ready, guy? Come on, let's get him up on the bank. That's what we're gonna do here. Let's get him up on the bank. I got him right through the top lip. Right through the top lip. You know, sometimes you just gotta slow down that retrieve just a little bit, man. I stopped it, and I mean, it was just right there. If I wouldn't have even been paying attention, literally, I would have missed him. I would have just missed him. All right, buddy. He was hungry today. We see who out. All right, come on. All right. All right. Look at that there. That's what we was looking for right there, baby. That or some walleye. I hope this is a good pick right here of it. You know, got him right through the top lip. Man, what more can you want? That's what we want right there, baby. Got him right through the lip. I mean, I seen him smoke it too. Like literally smoke it. Look at that. Nice. Look at the teeth in there. Nice, buddy. I say about, what to say, 26, 30 inches. What you guys think? Let this buddy go. Yeah, that's what we was looking for right there. I knew something was jumping, man. I'm like, what is this? I hope I'm getting a good shot of this. Oh, here we go. Sweet.